Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a problem, Instagram suspended account recovery. Now this is going to be the updated version for 2025. So we're going to try and recover if you have a suspended account for Instagram. The first thing we're going to do right now is we just want to make sure that our device is going to be currently up to date. So basically go to settings right there. On the landing page of settings, you need to click on general. Almost forgot, just a disclaimer. If you're using or you're watching this and you're using an Android device or a Samsung devices, so the process is perfectly the same, so please follow through. You can just do and check your software update on your phone, just like this one. Our purpose for this is letting know or making sure that there is no pending update. Alright? Next up, we want to make open this browser. If you have a Chrome, click on it. So for this, I'm just going to click on Instagram, like so. Instagram Help Center. In here, I'm going to click on that one. And there's going to be a lot of choices. So I'm just going to click on search bar right here. What you want to do is clicking and typing data access, so you don't wind up on a different route. So I'm going to click on access and download your information on Instagram, like so. And there's so much more. I'm going to choose one here, or you can scroll all the way down and look for the designated one that doesn't have access to your Instagram account. I'm going to look at the first one. Now in here, you're going to see a lot of choices. So you can click on, was this helpful? Go for no. I'm going to click on other. And in here, just tell them what happened. Tell them that should be a problem and your account shouldn't have been suspended, and just send it. And I assure you, 3 to 5 business days, your account will be back. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye for now.